Hi, can you hear me?
Hi, I can hear
Yeah,
you.
do I need to make it like
Yes. Or
okay.
is yeah.
Do I place it in the frame? Now I can place it in the frame.
Yeah, madam, very normal. Like I mean, I like cold coffee, so I'm just going to like
Okay.
great. I'm so glad you agreed to do this, and I'm so happy that you're one of the first people to come.
Yeah,
Uh,
I'm glad to, yeah. I'm so happy that I'm the
I,
first one.
I was thinking about when I met you the first time. I couldn't really recollect. I met you on a shoot only, right? On some shoot, and then I
Uh
lip
I
club.
think fog. The first time we met was at your office for the audition.
That's what I was remembering, and that's when I saw you at Fog, and then I called you for Lip Love,
Lakme.
Lakme.
Yeah, yeah.
Because I was trying to recollect. I thought Gits, but then Gits also happened
Later.
much later, no?
Later. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, yeah. So I was just remembering. So basically, now since I was thinking about like how we met and stuff like that, and it's very easy for me to like speak to people who like indulge in like some kind of conversation, and it's not just like, hey, how are you? I'm fine. How are you? And then they just go away because I'm never going to recollect that person again if I've met them, especially for the first time, right?
Yeah, yeah.
And I was thinking about like I know like you also like to communicate and like to talk and like
Yeah, yeah.
do all of that,
Mingle and yeah,
mingle
yeah.
and stuff like that. Exactly. So that's what I was talking about and thinking ki conversations as such are so important in today's day life, right?
Yeah, yeah.
I mean, they contribute so much to the way you're thinking, to like your mood and stuff like
And
that.
how the other person is, you get to know as well. Like if you listen and listen to a conversation, you get to know how the other person is, or you know
Yeah,
how they are thinking and their thought process. Conversation is the only way you can communicate and gel with people of your like-minded people, or if you want to like try out talking to different kind of people, it's the only way you get to understand, right?
exactly. Also, most of our conversation happens on text.
Yeah,
And
absolutely.
people don't even talk on the phone anymore. Like I remember in college, I mean not even in college actually, when I was in school, like we used to talk over the phone like at least for an hour or 45 minutes to my friend or whoever. Now it's
Huh.
not that. Now it's straight, hey, listen, how you doing?
I make it a point, yeah, Tanya, that I actually ring up my best friends and talk to them, and we catch up like not frequently, but whenever we do catch up on a very long call and everything, because via text and via Instagram and Facebook, all these new methods don't like, for me personally, it doesn't really connect, like if I have to talk to my best friend, I need to call, I need to know her reaction to certain stories or gossip I'm giving her, that it's the most personal form, I feel like.
Agreed, agreed. And I think, I mean, you're one of the very few people who still do that. My mom does it, and my brother does it. But like, I've just somehow I feel like it's maybe it's just easier to get done with the conversation. We're
Yeah,
always trying to move. Okay, this is done. Now I have to do this. Now, this is done. Okay, I told her what has happened. Now I have to move ahead to the next topic. I mean, whatever list is there on my head. So
yeah,
I
yeah.
very rarely actually phone up. Even my best friend, I don't remember the last time we spoke on the phone also. And we're always messaging. And actually, this generation is so, I mean, the younger generation, this
Messaging also, it's easier to share things, right? Like you see a meme and you get reminded of her or him and you just share it, and
exactly.
and that's how you feel connected and everything. But then I feel the attention span and the concentration span has become so short because of technology. With our best friends or with our families also, we don't have patience to sit and actually talk.
No, we don't. We
Yeah,
literally don't. Like, even if I sometimes see myself doing it. Ki when my father is talking to me, I'm busy talking to somebody else. But when I'm with
yeah,
that other person, actually sitting and chilling with that other person, I'm busy talking to some other person who's not there in the room. We are
yeah.
so, I've become so attached to our conversations on WhatsApp that when we actually meet people, we are not really even like
We
communicating
don't
with
know what
them.
to talk because sab kuch to
Exactly.
bol diya.
सब कुछ तो बोल दिया
Everything,
है.
yeah,
And
yeah.
I mean, and also I feel that, talking on WhatsApp and all these like Instagram and stuff like that, just sending hearts or just
Hmm,
sending a
hmm,
smiley has
hmm.
reduced our conversations from having some meaning somewhere to just being a
Absolutely.
very small talk, very like leaving it very like, upar
Yeah,
upar se,
I don't remember the last time I actually meant that haha smiley or I actually meant that crying smiley. They are all
Exactly.
they are all actually not expressing it, but still they are expressing our emotions, which is sad, which is really sad. I miss school days. I miss those times where my parents did not really give me a cell phone and chup chup ke main landline se call
Oh,
karti thi.
same,
I
same,
miss those
same.
times. Yeah.
Same. Because I feel like over a period of time, everybody has become quite concerned about even what they tell another person. Like if I'm speaking to, I mean, not my best friend because obviously we've spent so much time together, but even like your closest friends for that matter of fact to be
Right.
true, we're not really opening up completely. I am not really telling that person everything that I'm feeling or everything that I'm going through. I don't know. Is it because that I feel that they might judge me, or I feel that people have become so judgmental right now over the period of time. Anything that you say, you're instantly judged by it. Or
Yeah.
people have also become, I feel, very sensitive about certain issues. So
Certain, I feel every issue.
yeah, every issue.
Every issue. जब से lockdown हुआ है, तब से I feel people have become so sensitive about each and everything. Talk about anything, even if you're giving your opinion out there. There are very less people to understand the fact that, agree to disagree. Other people also have an opinion. So it's okay. The reaction comes very instantly. Like the impulse is the reaction. So somewhere we are losing the fact that, calm down, observe, listen, and then react. We are very quick. We just like the Instagram reels, 15 seconds reels. We are becoming very, very anxious and very impulsive, I feel.
Yeah,
Includes me.
yeah, exactly. And like it's like, a very instant reaction. Actually, I feel most of us, including me, and I feel a lot of people who I normally tend to have an argument with, we are not listening to anything that they're saying. We
No, we
just
want to
want to,
win.
हाँ, we want to win. कि जो भी है एंड में भाई मुझे जीतना है I don't really
Yeah,
care as to what, if I'm getting some new information from the person, if I'm upgrading my knowledge, or
yeah.
even if it is, I feel like nowadays people feel that they know everything.
Oh,
Everybody
yeah.
feels they know everything,
Because they want to fit in everywhere, be it films, be it politics. I'm telling you, Tanya, talking about politics, now is the time everybody is talking about politics. How many of us actually know what has happened with which parties and what has happened to our nation? What is history? History period ke waqt, I remember all of us got bored. I don't know. Now all of us are so much into it.
and
And
everybody's talking about it.
the source is social media, which is very sad that, seeing certain memes or seeing certain pages and everything, we end up believing that, oh, what we are seeing is correct, and here's why we need to fit in. That's like a pressure. I feel like people want to fit in, people want to comment. And very recently, I wasn't really commenting on any of the political this thing or anything, but I get messages and DMs from people. Why aren't you opening your mouth? Why aren't you talking about it?
Yeah,
Honestly, I'm scared of the consequences. Coming back to our topic, that, how far are we real?
real.
um, I mean, um, thinking about the consequences, sometimes you don't want to be real because you're so judged, and people are very brutal online, very brutal
Horrible,
online.
because they don't have to face you, right? They don't have to see your face, they don't have to see your reaction, they don't know who you are, so they think that they can blatantly like just thrash you, for
Yeah,
whatever like
yeah,
you want to say. And
absolutely.
agreeing to what you're saying, because I feel like recently Sir Amitabh Bachchan was questioned about
Hmm.
what are you doing, you are not doing anything to help India, or but he was, and I then I read a tweet from him which said, "Ki I don't normally do such things, by saying what I'm doing. But I think it's come to a point where I have to start telling you, ki, listen, I've contributed like maybe 2 crores to this particular
which is
donation
so
or whatever.
which is so petty, right? Like now is the time we are actually showing off, देखो हम लोग यहाँ पे help कर रहे हैं, यहाँ पे help कर रहे हैं. But back in those days I feel that at least our upbringing is, if you're helping someone, you don't jatao mat,
हाँ कि listen,
that's what
I gave you this, I gave you, like, people give you something and they're saying, listen, I
हाँ.
gave, मैंने दिया उसको, मैंने उसको दिया, and I feel like I don't think like he needed to do something like that, and the fact that he was pressurized into like
Yeah.
saying something like that is ridiculous, because
And where are manners now? Where are manners? Such an elderly person, a legendary star. You're questioning him. You never know what he's doing in his house in a silent place. You never know.
Exactly.
Everything doesn't have to be on social media to show that we are doing this. And unfortunately, Tanya, we can't help it. We are in a era where be it our work, be it our life, whatever we choose to protect is what is protected. Whatever we choose to show is what is shown.
shown.
And what is protected also, people will come and poke you if you don't, because people need information. They're curious to know what you're up to,
They
so
want to
show
know
us
everything.
this,
They want to know everything. And I'm like, just look into your own lives for a second. You're so obsessed with what other people are doing.
Yeah, and also with the unemployment and everything, people are so free, right? Like including me. We are so
Especially the film industry,
Bella.
to be frank. I mean, other of corporates and stuff like that. Even if you talk about like your
Yeah, actually, work from home is
happening,
Yeah,
but it's the
yeah.
film industry which really gets hit in a way, because unfortunately our work from home is no work from home.
Yeah.
We cannot
Yeah.
work from home, we cannot shoot
Yeah.
from home. It becomes very, very difficult,
Yeah.
So that's why it's like people are still like more curious to know now what they're doing at home. What are these people doing at home? Are they like cleaning the plants, or are they like cleaning the floor? They want to know everything, And I also was telling my dad the other day, and
मैं अभी झाड़ू मार के आएगी.
exactly. And I'm like, instead of like being so concerned about like you know what other people are doing, if you just look around you and speak to your friends, I feel frankly like this rate of like people committing suicide, and like people being upset, and half the people don't even know if something's going on with their friend, because they're not having a conversation only. They are like,
and also I feel that sorry to cut you, I feel that the words like depression, mental illness is I'm glad that it's coming out, but it's a much deeper topic than the way we use
it
of late.
Just
hey,
like,
I was very depressed last night, so you don't get depressed like that. You don't a person who's really really depressed would not even, I mean, I don't know, like that's not the way you
it
actually
should be used, basically.
it should be used, like it's sad, but yeah, kare bhi to kya kare.
Exactly. And they use it like, just like, oh, I was really upset this year, I've been like this or whatever. But my thing is that people don't even like know about their friends doing anything, because even like I was reading a research by Harvard, and it said like the world's most useless words are how are you, because when somebody asking that question doesn't want to know, and the person saying is not genuinely saying anything, they're just like, I mean, like, I don't really want to know. Like, if I mean, frankly speaking, if I ask somebody, I'm like, how are you? I'm expecting I'm great,
Yeah. What if someone says, I'm not well? I'm not really doing well. What do you do?
I mean, my reaction will be like, what? What? Like, what happened? I mean, it's an automatic, this in our brain. How are you? I'm okay. How are you? I'm great. How are you? I'm fine.
Yeah.
Nobody actually wants to know if you're doing okay. And literally a research, and like a team in like Michigan had done a research wherein they said ki people who have substantial conversations with other people are actually happier people. People who people who actually communicate, because we are social beings, people who actually communicate and have a deeper meaning conversation. I don't even mean spiritually or anything like that. Just like after conversing with you, I know more about you, or I know more about the world. That sort of conversation really helps, and people are happier. The entire mood changes, and they have done a research on something like that. But these days I feel people are not concerned only. They don't want to have a deeper conversation. It's all about like, oh, what is happening? What are you wearing? What are you doing? I mean, great. We
Yeah,
all like talking like that, you know. But
yeah,
there is a need to also get a little deeper about things, know about the person that you're talking. If you go to a party and you come outside not knowing, I mean, except for if you get really drunk, but if you don't, and if you come back and you've met all new people and you come back with no information about anybody, you've done nothing at a party,
yeah,
basically.
yeah. So I was 2 days back. I was watching this video by Jordan Peterson, clinical psychologist from Canada. So he says, and he's brilliant. Okay, the way he actually narrates each and every issue has a practical front and also has the millennial touch or whatever, you know, however we are functioning right now. So he said that in that particular video that we are lacking the patience to listen and observe. Suppose me and you are having a conversation, Tanya, and if there is something which I don't know and you know, if I have ego now, I'm going to raise my voice and talk and act like I know it. But if I have that sense of listening and observing, I'm going to sit down and listen to you, understand that thing. For example, we're talking about cryptocurrency and everything off late, right?
Yes.
I don't know anything much about it, but little bit what I know, okay, I can sit down with my friends, I talk to them, okay, I listen about it so that I get benefited as well. There are a lot of very less people actually think that we can gain from others. They all feel that we need to show that we are superior, which is really, really wrong. I feel that because you get to learn from every individual you meet, be it a
Everybody,
rickshaw
everybody.
guy, be it our watchman, be it our maid, be it anybody you meet, you get such amazing stories and such amazing their own perspective, and only if you as a human being, if you widen your perspective, that's when you're going to be happy. Otherwise you'll have issues with everything.
Otherwise you're just confined no into your own like
Yeah,
bubble which you think that you know everything. And speaking about,
yeah.
just picking up from what you said about
Hmm.
people just wanting to be superior, is like that's the whole thing that's happening, right? They just want to show कि we are better, we know
Huh.
everything.
Yeah,
तुम्हें कुछ नहीं पता मतलब, even
yeah.
though you know you've done literally, the other person opposite has more information about it, that is not concerned. तुम्हें कुछ नहीं पता, मुझे सब पता है क्योंकि मैं ऑनलाइन जाके सब पढ़ता हूँ. And you know,
Exactly, from social media.
exactly. And also because of this social media, everybody is so used to um their one perspective, because I
Oh,
am reading
definitely.
it.
The kind of people you follow, the kind of algorithms you've been getting in your feed. I don't know how many people research on the fact that how many ever people, whichever people you're following, the algorithm is going to change the way. If you're having a breakup, you're going to get only breakup
Only
memes and
breakup, exactly.
only breakup everything. So your mind actually works. The algorithm is working your mind out, And social media, the people who have created itself have told that we don't have it in our control. So having watched Social Dilemma or the interviews of the people who have created even like button or even different kind of features on social media, they themselves say that this is out of our hands. We don't know now what to do
What to
about
do
it.
exactly? Yeah,
Yeah, it's
that's
just
what.
up to us.
It's just up to us, and people are like, just see, they're like, if I'm watching news or you know, on Instagram or whatever, Google on my phone, or if I'm watching
Hmm.
any such entertainment, whatever, it's me and my perspective. So I am
Yeah,
so used to seeing something, understanding what I've understood about it, and feeling that that's right, because that's what I'm doing continuously all day and everybody around. So that's why
yeah,
when I speak to another person, I'm so not used to getting that other person's opinion, because it's all
yeah,
about what I understand, right? I'm so
yeah.
not used to
And
like.
some 10 people in your feed has understood the same thing. So
Exactly.
you're right.
I am right. Exactly. And that's why people don't want to only converse, because they feel
Yeah,
like मुझे सब पता है तो मैं क्यों ज़्यादा talk
yeah,
about it or whatever. Because literally when I see my friends sometimes talking, I feel like they're speaking about the same point, okay, but they are fighting and to see who has the better point about this particular topic, and
yeah,
I'm like,
yeah,
why are you all doing this? At least understand that this guy has little more information, or this guy said something more interesting. No, they're not concerned about that. They want to say, I have most amount of information because I am the one doing most amount of research, and that
yeah.
gets really annoying, after a period of
People
time.
don't get the point that a wise man always observes, listens. That's more cooler, than being like,
Listening.
yeah,
Yeah.
listening is more cooler. But
Yeah.
then in a group, if I'm keeping quiet and listening and not really giving my input, that is also an issue.
No, then something is wrong. They're like, why are you so
Oh, you're
quiet? You're the
Yeah.
quiet
Are you
one.
depressed?
Are you depressed? Yeah, are you depressed? You're the quiet one. What happened?
Yeah. Yeah.
All that jazz. Yeah, that
Yeah.
that keeps happening, and because I feel a lot of people do feel like nowadays conversations are a little difficult, and people are
Yeah.
not being real with themselves. This whole real me has started a couple of years ago.
Real me is a fake thing, I feel.
Real me is
Just like
fake
a
me.
nude makeup.
Ha, real me is that's the best example you get. Nude makeup and like it's a no makeup look, which is like, or it's like those razor ads, which when when you're like removing hair with this no hair. It's
Yeah,
that
totally.
fake. Real me is
Yeah,
that fake.
absolutely.
Because everywhere
Real
around
me is not about like, I'm the best. Tell about your flaws. Now, about flaws also people would overdo.
that also
Flaws
became like a
also
whole like
about body positivity, this, that. Everything becomes like a campaign and a trend and everything. Whereas people are like, we are talking about body positivity, we are talking about this and that. But at the end of it, what is the crunch? You got to be healthy. No
agreed.
matter how you are, you have to be healthy. You like your body, however it is, you be healthy. No, that's important.
Exactly.
Than promoting that, okay, we are going to be how we want to be. I mean, I don't know. I don't
No,
support
no,
that cause.
I fully agree with it, and I like there are a lot of people who are like plus sizes and stuff like that, and I'm
Yeah,
very happy that they're very comfortable in their own skin. It's great to be
absolutely.
comfortable in your own skin, and it's great that you're coming out. Yeah, there was a point in your life where you were uncomfortable, and now you've reached a point where you are comfortable. But that
Yeah,
and people are praising them and everything, but that doesn't mean you stay that way. You have
yeah,
to work on yourself. You have to work on yourself because anyways being a larger size is not good for your health. Who cares about what the world thinks?
exactly. Exactly my point. You got to be healthy first, than to prove a point. And not that if I am thin, I'm super healthy.
No, there are a lot of thin
You
people who
know,
are ekdam lukka. Matlab like it's like
you're
dhakka mar
unhealthy. You never know what's happening inside.
yeah.
So it's like, oh, I'm skinny now. I'm gonna be this. I mean, let's just think a little practically and little sensibly that what is good for us first, and what we need to actually come there and fit into. We don't necessarily have to fit into every trend, I feel.
And this real thing came about in a lot of advertising campaigns. It came a lot of in marketing, wherein like people started saying this is how we really are, and this is the real us, and
It's my choice.
it's my choice. And I was like, why now people are more pushing towards saying that this is the real me by like trying to put in like certain issues that you felt in life, and like certain things, saying that this is the real me, but that is also very scripted if like
Yeah,
people don't know. Because that's why I feel a lot of people on Instagram have now started saying ki, listen, I am not happy all the time.
yeah.
Because everybody, like I've seen a lot of comments on a lot of Instagram posts of a lot of like influencers where people are like, what is your why, how come you're so happy all the time, what is the secret of your happiness? And it's nice that some people come up and say ki, listen, I am not happy all the time. If
Yeah.
I don't wake up with dopamine levels like super high in my head or something. I wake up
Dopamine is gone. Like
exactly
every time you're on social media, your dopamine is
just
going
dropping.
haywire.
Just dropping. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
It is.
that's the reason in US, the teenagers are committed suicide because of social media's this thing. And the statistics say that there are more and more teenagers committing suicide because of the kind of impact social media is having, especially Instagram, the kind of body, perfect body we are trying to show, the kind of, the filters, how it's affecting people. People do not want to use anything apart from those filters. The filters are making you look good. So why not? It's like fake eyelashes. Once you put those fake eyelashes, you look very nice. You look very amazing. But
I
then you
did
keep.
it.
I did it once,
I did
and
it once. I'm never going to do it.
I was like, oh wow, बहुत सुंदर लग रही
Yeah,
हो.
I
Eye
was like, I
makeup
don't
की
need to put
जरूरत नहीं है.
exactly. I was like, oh shit, man, I don't need to put any eye makeup. I look amazing.
Yeah, and then I realized how much my original eyelashes I almost went bald here.
I don't
And
have any. I don't have any. Like yesterday, my dad was looking at me and he's like, "Why? Where are your lashes? Like they've gone really." I was like, "It's been plucked up by those fake eyelashes."
yes, so see now the kind of obsession there are people. See now we have controlled understanding that okay, this is not permanent, this is fake. It is also having consequences. But there are a lot of people
Agreed.
who would be like, let's just get
Chalega.
done.
Let's just get it done.
Chalega. Yeah. Even though it harms and burns our eyelashes and eyebrows and
Oh, and it's a
everything, let's just
task,
get
can't
it
to
done.
get those eyelashes done. Like, what all we do to like look
Either
good on
sleep. Maze se I sleep.
I was doing up a little reading, and it says that a lot of people, if they have to say something about what they're feeling or something about the other person that they're unhappy with, so even if I might have chilled with that person all day, I would go
Huh.
back home and I would write a WhatsApp message and send it to
Yes.
them instead of
Yes.
actually telling them in person about what I'm feeling. So I don't understand, is it because we are we don't we are trying to avoid the reaction, we are trying to like play it a little safe because we don't want to see the actual emotion of the person?
Yeah, it's always easier to put it in text than to personally
Exactly.
say, which is wrong, which is really wrong. It's not like you're breaking up via text just to avoid the X and the
Exactly.
problem.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's,
exactly.
it's sad. It's sad. I did that this morning. Like last night, I watched a horror movie, and I just after the film, Doctor Sleep, and after the film, I got up and I just my friend suggested me this film. I didn't even bother to tell them anything how I liked it or not. And then next day morning, today morning, I'm messaging them. You know what? This happened. I could have done it then, but then I just didn't feel. I just didn't feel like sometimes the interaction it just gets awkward. Yeah.
It gets awkward,
Yeah.
and that's what I'm wondering, because like I know, like if I am with a friend or a really close friend or like my best friend, even my best friend for the matter of fact, and there are certain things that we've spent the day together, and there are certain things that I felt that she was doing that I didn't like, basically, and I thought
Hmm,
that something
hmm.
was different about it or whatever. I feel like I just many times that I come back home and I'm mulling over it in my head, and then I message her, you know and I'm like, what, this happened, and I felt it's a little odd. Like, why would you do something like that? Is everything okay? When I could have just said it to her face when I was with her a couple
Yeah.
of hours ago. I just
Yeah.
feel like we have become more of a coward generation.
But do you also get those spaces where you're like, I know I'm doing a mistake. I know I'm using my phone in front of my dad or mom. I need to give them time. Kal se I will do
Yeah,
my
yeah,
best.
yeah. So many times. And I realize it because, when I realize it, is like if my dad is like talking to me and I'm messaging, and
Huh.
sometimes just go into the message, so he's just saying something, to you. And then by the time I look up, he's already walked away, because he said what he had to. And I'm like,
Yeah.
shit, like next time he comes, I'm going to make sure that I put my phone aside. It never happens.
Yeah, yeah. I realize how disrespectful that is when my friends used to come home and
Oh, I know what you're
use
saying.
phone when my mother is talking. I would be like, you know what? She's talking to you. Show some
Show some
respect.
respect. Yes.
And the same thing I
And
do.
then, yeah, I know. And it happens because we all do that.
Yeah.
We are so used to doing that. We are so, and like, I don't understand what is this obsession, because I am,
It's the addiction with our phone. It's the
yeah.
addiction with our phone. It's the best thing to detox. Like whoever can afford it should detox. I feel I've tried. In fact, a week back I deleted Instagram.
Oh,
Like I deleted the app.
oh,
I
okay.
deleted the app not to. I can't delete my profile, so I
Obviously,
deleted my app. And I felt good, yeah, that
it's the
knowingly
break.
or unknowingly, you just go in
It's a
super
break.
utte, yeah, you start scrolling and everything, and you don't need to know what 100 other people are doing. We don't look up. We don't really look up and see. Sometimes days would go by and I wouldn't look up and see what is actually happening around me. I'm always this. So it's the best thing to have a detox and understand what you are and where you're going actually.
Agreed. I 100% agree,
Because then the real you will not come out if you're always
Never.
on the phone.
People don't know only what their real is. People don't know only what
Yeah.
it is, After a period of time, they just like, just whatever is working best, in on Instagram, or whatever is working best on, like, your conversation part of you is.
Yeah, and whichever, from a partly part-time content creator, I can say, whichever is trending, I need to make that. Whichever is getting more likes, I need to get that. What about my own creativity and my own essence?
Yeah, do
Do I
something of
take the
your own.
do I take the risk to do something of my own, which is the real me, and wait for the
Wait for the
consequences, or wait?
consequences. Yes.
Yeah, that's the reason I feel a lot of people are not real themselves, because of the consequences and the judgments around. And both, either way, we are to be blamed, because we are very intolerant, and that's the reason divorce rates are going high up. Yeah,
Yeah,
we are,
yeah.
as human beings, we don't know how to tolerate. Now abhi friends ke sath you break up, that's fine. Now you're breaking up with your husband, or
That's
your
that's
spouse.
that's a little too much, right now.
Yeah, but that's the reason, unfortunately, that people have become so intolerant, and they just can't take jokes, they can't take constructive criticism,
No,
and this toxic
criticism to
positivity.
people to cannot. Criticism to
Yeah,
people
which
cannot.
also we need to know, like, hey, you suck. That's not a criticism. You need to give a constructive criticism for the other
Yeah,
person
but
to
people are not
understand.
ready to listen. I think that's the reason most people don't even tell people anything. That's why our conversations have like just dropped down to, let's talk about other nonsense. Let's talk about other people's lives. Let's not talk about our lives. Because if I
Yeah,
maybe comment on maybe what you're doing, or saying, ki, what, I think you need to like change your, like pull up your
yeah.
socks, work a
I
little
miss those
harder.
conversations. Yeah,
No,
because
pull up your
I as
socks,
a
work a little harder, and go find a better job if you don't like the job. I feel if I say something like that to somebody, they'll just be like, mind your own fucking business, Like, why
No,
are you
yeah,
telling
I
me?
do that with my best friends. Sometimes they do yell at me. They don't talk to me for weeks, but I am blunt with my friends that, 10 saal se you're doing this CA thing. Why don't you just get done with it?
Yeah,
Why
but
don't
that's
you?
good. That's good. That's nice, because there
And
are other
only with
people
my
who do
best
that.
friends, I don't have the audacity with somebody else I meet. I'll be like, okay, whatever, your life, go
And
ahead.
then I know best friends are like almost like family, so we do,
Yeah,
But like
yeah,
even if your closest friends, your inner circle friend, I think you think twice before saying something, because you just don't know कि भाई ये how is this person going to take it in their head, and then later on मुझे नहीं बोले कि भाई कि क्या तूने क्यों बोला, why did you tell this about me, and I'm just
correct.
like, dude, just like let me just stay
Yeah, be in the
put,
safe
be the same.
zone.
Because in school, because when we didn't have all these Instagram, we didn't have WhatsApp, we had like normal messaging, and then BBM came way later in like 10th, 11th, or whatever. We used to tell everything to our friends. I used to tell
Yeah,
them
yeah.
anything and everything I felt, without feeling, uh,
They're like
you know,
diaries.
yeah, without feeling
Yeah,
judged, without feeling that they will judge me. I was very open about, what
yeah.
I was feeling about them, and they were
Feeling.
too. Over a period of time, everybody is just literally become like,
They
uh,
want to show that they are strong, like, the vulnerability part of it, very less people
agreed,
show it.
agreed, and
Very less.
because less people show it, people who are vulnerable and want to speak about it, they feel that nobody is. Then why the hell should I be opening up? Because
Yeah,
I don't
yeah.
want to look like the weakling, or I don't want to look like, this emotional sort of person and all, when actually you're the stronger one,
Yeah,
frankly
it's
speaking.
so much baggage, don't you feel, Tanya, that we are unknowingly taking that, oh my God, what if I say this? What is the other person going to say? If I say this, if I post this picture, if I post this reel, if I do this, that, it's so much of baggage we ourselves are putting.
Exactly. And I feel that is why, because exactly what you said is, people don't want to be vulnerable. They've forgotten about it. They don't want to converse about it. Is
Yeah,
why they go to online. That's why you
yeah,
have blogs. Why did the whole blog start? Like the whole
yeah,
concept of you and your screen talking to each other started
yeah,
because of what? All these vlogs and stuff like that. Because you're
right.
not talking to your friend next to you about what's going on in your life. You'd
Yeah.
rather sit and you need to vent it out somewhere. You need to talk about some things that trouble you, things not even trouble you, things that are going on
Or
in your
get
life,
validation,
or
or get that dopamine high with that
exactly. So that's why people
validation.
started talking to the screen. That's why they
Yeah,
started vlogging. That's why people started writing like blogs and writing about what they're going through and stuff like that. Because they're not
right.
conversing with the opposite person anymore, which is
Absolutely.
yes, sometimes it's much nicer to write what you're feeling, but that's not,
Hmm.
you don't substitute conversation to writing, right? Because I feel
Yeah.
if you're feeling upset one day, or if you're feeling really happy because you got a great job or something like that, you sharing it with your friends or sharing with people is so much more than just keeping it within you.
It's crazy that looking at the sky, being amidst the nature, waking up in the morning, looking at the sunlight, all these things are luxury now.
Yeah, that
It's
is
a
luxury.
luxury.
I
You
went
you
for a
pay,
holiday.
yeah, you pay for a retreat and you do all that thing which you can bloody do it in your house, huh? That's a luxury.
Yeah.
And living a simple life has become a luxury now. A simplicity is a luxury
Yeah,
now.
simplicity has now become a choice of life, like a different, I want to live a
Yeah,
simple life. It's a,
yeah. I
like
want to. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I,
Absolutely.
it's just so, everything has just gone so, and we don't realize it because we are so fast pacing in life, right? We're just like, "Ta, ta, 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 this from this, I have to go from the gym to this place, you have no time to like even say it and
Especially
like,
in our city, Mumbai. It's
the only thing that has stopped Mumbai is Corona. That too, like to a certain extent, unfortunately.
yeah, yeah.
But otherwise, Mumbai is just like super fast paced.
I like it.
I
I
love it.
That's why I survived here.
I love it.
I love it. But also, I feel that we do have a long way to go, and we can stop it. At one point, we can have our mind. See, now the algorithms are controlling us, and the situations and the trend is controlling us. If we set our mind that, dekho, ek ghanta, I will use my phone the entire day on social media, that just doesn't happen. I know, but there are people, I've seen people, who are very strict with that,
That's
and who are
very
enjoying life.
few. That's very few. Like, I
Huh.
wish I could be one of them. I wish I
Yeah.
could be one of them, but I am
Same,
not.
same,
I am addicted to my phone ridiculously. Like,
same.
sometimes I'm just like, I didn't even realize how long I was like just scrolling and like hours of like just like spamming myself with like
Yeah,
unnecessary
yeah. That
information.
time one should see Instagram time at least.
Exactly. Yeah. But sometimes when I see it, I'm like, my God, fuck! I've just wasted my 3 4 hours
Yeah,
in the whole
yeah.
day. It's horrible.
Imagine.
And I feel like remember seeing this Coke ad, Coca-Cola ad, a really old one. I think it is with Aishwarya Rai in it. It's almost in the early 90s when it had come out. When I feel somebody who was the creative person of the ad must have realized this is going to be a uh, issue
Future.
later on in life, is
Huh.
when they all are on their phones, so busy on their phones. Okay, the entire family is busy on the phone, and the father comes to eat on the table because he's ordered some nice pizza, and suddenly the everybody's busy. So then, like, the girl is like, give it in my room, the guy's like, give it when I'm playing video games, and the mom is busy doing something else, and the father's just sitting upset when suddenly the lights go off. Okay, and the lights go off, and because of that, your TV goes off, or this goes off, and by the time, I think in the end, it's all of them sitting and having a conversation around the table, and Coke is
Ah,
open,
nice.
something like that.
Sweet. Back then they did this.
Back then they realized ki this is going to be the future, right? We are
Yeah.
all going to be stuck in our phones. We're not sitting and talking to our people only around, and I don't understand what is this obsession, because so many times when I am like chilling with maybe one friend, I'm talking to that friend, but I'm messaging another friend also,
Yeah.
and I'm like,
Yeah.
why am I messaging that other friend when I'm with that friend, I'm messaging this friend or other people. We are not, when we're sitting, I feel there are very few friends or people that I know when they're sitting with other
Keep their phones aside.
who keep their phones aside and they're talking to this person, because that person is in front of you and you're like enjoying their company. But I so know so many people who are on their phone when they're talking to somebody else. So
Yeah. Yeah.
what is this?
Absolutely.
And ऐसे तुम कुछ
It's
खास बात तो नहीं कर रहे.
it's just that addiction with that device. It's just the addiction with that. Sometimes, I mean, I don't think you or I realize when we pick up our phone and go to a particular app, we
It's
don't do it.
subconscious.
Yeah, it's that. And all these things are deliberately happening. The makers of these apps and all are deliberately doing it to make us addicted to it, because there are n number of brands who need to create their market and everything. It's all brands, clients, everybody is doing so many mediums of marketing. And in India, so we have so many festivals, this, that, every time something or the other keeps coming. So it just, they are making it not to exploit us, but we are getting exploited.
Yeah, we are getting
Majorly.
subconsciously without even realizing like this is becoming a
No,
trend,
not many would realize that, the your phone is actually harming you, and the mental illness and depression you're sharing, you might be, you need that, you need guidance, because your phone might be really getting into your head, and you never know the degree of damage it does.
Agreed.
Like, the inferiority complex, body complex, people like us, actors and creators, the number game and everything. Yeah, I know the number game is there to have a healthy competition, but it's no more healthy. It's no more healthy, because the criterias of number choosing, seeing a person's profile, and it's just becoming haywire, it's just becoming
Everything.
very, very, talent has taken a back seat. I was seeing Shreya Ghoshal's interview very recently. So somebody asked her, the interviewer asked her that, why aren't you active on social media and trying to do, like, all the brands and everything, get influenced with brands and influence people. And she was like, back then when she started off, the 90s and everything, she said the talent actually was the first criteria. And now, because of numbers, if you see YouTube trends or if you see Instagram trends, how do you justify that more the number, more the talent? How do you do that? So she did not wanted to get into this game, and that's why she chose ki, okay, whatever I did and whatever legendary songs I did, I'm happy with that. I'm not going to get into this, the race, this game.
But very, that's what I thought, that's amazing. But very few people are so authentic still. You know what I'm saying? Very
Yeah, I
few.
don't think, yeah, very few, because production houses want numbers, music department, I mean, music industry wants
Everything
numbers.
that you're looking at how many like followers the person has, how many like
Absolutely.
people
And
are
I don't blame them. I don't blame
because
them,
this
because
is what we are going towards, this is what the
yeah,
entire like system is going towards. So you don't want to be the one left behind. You're also going to follow the same trend as the production house or anybody else, right? So
yeah, I don't blame them, because if they're putting so much amount of money on something, it better be worth the, the return. But having said that, talent has definitely taken a backseat, but people who are talented would shine irrespective of
irrespective,
anything.
agree, it's
Yeah,
just a little more tougher because
yeah,
of this
absolutely.
whole like a number game and
Absolutely.
all that jazz. Yeah, I completely agree. Like social media is like not only in like in every department as good it is, it has its equal number of drawbacks, like
Yeah,
it has
yeah.
like that 50-50 literally
Yeah,
sort
yeah.
of
Oh, yeah. Social media has been a savior for so many things, be it casting, be it getting work, being
getting content out there or even
connecting with people.
connecting with
Like my
people.
mom recently joined Facebook and she started connecting with her school friends, and
Just
so happy she is to get connected with her school friends and all after decades. So
agreed.
it
It
is
does.
good, but we need to know where to draw a
Yeah,
line.
exactly. Because like my friend just recently went to the States, okay, and
Hmm.
generally earlier when we used to go for holidays, we used to not put up instantly like, oh, like I've gone to this place, so the photo is up. I've gone to that place, so that
Ah,
photo's up. I've gone to this place, and even after I come back, photos have been putting up which I miss that, I miss this or
yeah,
whatever. So
yeah,
literally, I don't need to pick up the phone and ask her how was your trip, and like
yeah.
what's going on. I've seen how your trip was. I don't need to know
खुश
anything.
लग रही थी, खुशी होगी.
Yeah, मुझे पता है कहाँ कहाँ जगह गए. You saw there was some some animal eating off her hand or something like that. Whatever it is, I've seen it on social media. And earlier, I remember when I used to go abroad for like holidays with my family. I couldn't wait to come back and call them up and be like, this happened and I went there and we went this and we like and show them pictures that I had on my phone. And
Yeah, yeah.
it's so much of a more fulfilling experience, you know, to meet
Yeah.
them and tell them about it and tell what I went through and what are the issues or what fun we had or whatever it is. But I feel because now I just instantly put up a photo of like what I'm
Hmm.
doing, even if my family is chilling and I'm, you know, put a photo saying cheers together always or whatever crap, everybody already knows what I'm going through, you know, everybody knows how my vacation has been. So nobody's
Yeah.
really asking me how it was. Nobody, in fact, when you meet somebody, they're like, ah, you are so enjoying, I saw all your photos, you know. So that whole, the whole part about actually coming and like discussing your entire holiday or discussing what all you went through is fully just vanished, you know, just making it one less.
Yeah, like nowadays everybody knows about everyone through social media. So nobody cares to ask or
Why will I ask?
have that personal connection, you know. It's
Exactly,
sad.
that's what.
And how do we expect people to be real in this world when 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 the basics are no more real? The basics of, that's what I said, right? Looking at the sunset and everything is a luxury now. The basic bhi nahi hai.
And I feel that it's horrible, you know, it's really, really bad. And I think it's just going to
We
get
are going
worse.
towards a very horrible
I think it's just going to get
path.
worse. I think it's going to get much, much
I
worse.
wonder how worse. I really wonder how worse. Like,
It's going to be, it's
this
literally
is
going to be,
so toxic already.
I think it's going to become like in the native future that even if we meet, it's just like, hey, hi, we're drinking the coffee, but we are on our phone, you know? We're not like concerned, ki,
Yeah,
bhai, I know what you're doing. I've seen it on like Instagram. I've seen it on whatever new social media bloody app is going to come. As much as we love
yeah,
it, as much as we are so concerned about what is happening in other people's lives, but
yeah.
it is a very, very, you know, odd thing because I know that my parents, they still don't use Instagram so much because they're not really tech savvy, right? And I see my mom on the phone continuously with some friend or the other, you know, like talking about something and discussing something and like, oh, you know, there is this place here and this happened to me today, and like, you know, she's having such nice long healthy conversations which I don't have anymore.
Yeah, I have these very few friends who are not on social media.
That's
And trust me,
amazing.
Tanya,
Who are these friends? Give their friends to me.
their perspective is different and fresh, you know. They are people who genuinely want to keep their phone aside and actually live life. I mean, obviously they are not from the industry, so they do not have that pressure of being on social media or anything. But it's crazy. They don't even know. Like these friends. They don't know कि Instagram में story बोल के कुछ है या ऐसा कुछ. These are those friends, and
Wow.
I feel so good chit chatting with them because they don't know the trend. They don't know what's really happening on social media. What is the peak and everything? So
That's
they'll be
so
like, "ये
great.
क्या है? You know, what is this? Okay, okay, don't tell us. We don't want to get into it."
Wow.
So they have a very fresh approach to everything. And like you said in the beginning, you know, like we are so surrounded with the opinions of the people we follow or the algorithm, what it shows us, that we are not at all open
No,
minded at all
we're
to
not.
listen to
We're
things.
not. We
Yeah.
don't want to only because we are used to our one on one conversation with me and my screen. So
Yeah.
I'm reading and I know that this is it. And now I know that I'm educated about this topic. So now
Mm.
I don't want to talk to this other person when I meet that person for the topic. And it's
It's
great that
very
you have,
important to learn.
yeah, and it's great that you have people like that who you can have this healthy, you know, conversation with, a substantiated conversation, because it really does help in your growth, it really does help in your well-being. In fact, you know, it's
Yeah,
scientifically
because
proven.
Tanya, last year when the lockdown started, I was spending I think 5 to 6 hours on social media, which took a toll on me. And that's when I realized that, boss, this is serious. Why am I feeling sad? Why am I comparing my lives with the people I'm following? Why why am I not going for shopping and getting those clothes? Why am I not doing this? You know, the comparison, the instant
Oh,
comparison.
it's
Oh, this person
subconsciously
is
just,
getting this brand. Why am I not getting this brand? Oh, it's about numbers. Oh, this person has this much numbers. What should I
oh,
keep
it's
doing
just the
desperately?
spiral.
It's, yeah, and that's when I realized that, listen, whatever it is, whatever numbers or whatever you have, just keep it aside. Your life is much more than that. You know, we don't realize that our life is much more than whatever is there in this device.
Agreed.
Once, And that's why when corona hit, there are a lot of people who had family members falling sick, and they had to take care of the family members, which made them go away from their phone and actually live the life. And
Life.
that's when,
Yes.
they realize that, it is a precious thing. And now we quick quarantine mein hai, somebody is isolating themselves, they realize that, oh my god, that
This
self
is it.
assessment,
Yes.
irrespective of corona, every individual should have from within,
और क्या हो गया था कि कोरोना के टाइम पे एटलीस्ट दिस टाइम इट्स रियली बैड बट अर्लियर आई मीन वी हर्ड
हाँ,
अबाउट इट वी न्यू इट वाज गोइंग ऑन बट नेवर हैपेंड टू पीपल एटलीस्ट दैट वी
hmm,
रियली न्यू एंड नोबडी वाज डूइंग एनीथिंग सब
yeah,
अपने अपने घर पे बैठे थे ऐसा अपने अपने घर पे कुछ तो कर रहे थे
yeah,
खाना बना रहे थे whatever so people stopped looking so much towards Instagram and stuff like that or social media because they knew nothing was happening in anyone's lives
yeah.
nothing was I'm not seeing a
Yeah, and
cat like
also there are people who just सब चीज में opinion देते रहते थे.
हाँ
Suddenly
हाँ
they came up because they don't have anything else to do. They are not going to the kitchen and making something for the family, or they are not sweeping, brooming because the maid is not coming. They
yeah
want to be on the social media. So there were two kinds of people we actually
Yeah,
saw.
we actually saw. Agreed. Those who were just anyways have nothing to do, so they're commenting.
Yeah,
And
yeah,
those who like realized ki basically like as a whole, like Paps had stopped following people because no actors were getting out. Okay, and people were also your entertainment was there on Instagram, but people were also much bloggers and influencers. It was
yeah,
much lesser, so people
yeah,
stopped being so much on Instagram and social media, and what they started doing is actually chilling with their family
yeah,
you know
yeah,
and talking to people and like chilling with them because I'm if I was meeting my friend that felt like a luxury then
yeah.
I
Oh
realized
my
that
God, another face after a long
another
time.
face like touching a face I'm like it's another person my god I'm outside
Yeah,
and I remember like the first time I met my friend after really long after the lockdown I didn't look at my phone even once I was on we were only talking and laughing and I was just so happy to have another person next to me and talking
yeah,
with that person telling them how my day went what I used to do in the day and she was telling me how a day went and when I came back home, I felt so like refreshed, I was like, shit, it was such a good day,
yeah,
and it should happen. Frankly, this feeling should come to us every day because if you go outside and meet a friend, you should come back feeling, wow, I'm such a great time, But we go
yeah,
out and we're like, I'm chilling. I just chilled. I came back. I did like time pass because she
yeah.
was on my phone. I did not listen to her. She did not listen to me so much.
Exactly. So I was also seeing this video on this dopamine fasting, which is very essential. I feel like, taking a break from the devices are very essential. Technology is not going to stop; it is only going to boom. So
Boom.
take a step back and analyze yourself how you are is very important before saying I understand it's important to talk and everything, but talk to yourself first. Talk,
Agreed.
understand yourself. Who the hell are you?
Talk
You
to
know?
yourself first should be the line of everybody's like, talk to yourself first.
Yeah,
Agreed.
there
I
have
agree.
been people who would be like, hey, that to broadcast messages I've got last year. Hey, I hope your family is doing well. If you need to talk something, talk. You can always talk to me. I'm like, excuse me, wait.
First.
I did not see you for years. So why am I going to talk to you? कौन है तू? Why
And
would I
firstly,
talk?
and you're broadcasting the message to me. It's not even like a personal message like, how are you doing, Shreya? Is everything fine in your family? If you want, please, like, I'm here. If
Just
there's
imagine, I'll
something.
tell you the name later, but just imagine there are people like this. I'm like, हम दोनों तो दोस्त नहीं हैं. अभी ये ट्रेंड चल रहा है इसलिए talk to me.
Oh
there,
my
there was an
God.
influencer also, I think, on social media. I don't remember her name, who posted an IGTV video saying that, if you're depressed, please talk to me. But why?
Oh, I know who you're saying.
Yeah, but why? Why should I talk to you?
And who
But
are you?
अपने आप से बात करो ना कि क्या दिक्कत है. If are you anxious, are you impulsive, what is it from? And you, solution to your problems are in your bloody mind. Yeah,
Agreed.
so talking
I
to
cannot agree.
somebody
I
and
cannot agree
talking to
less.
an
Like,
influencer will not help you guys,
no,
just
and
saying.
I love what you said because it makes so much sense. Is talk to yourself first, and if you are real with yourself is only when you can actually have a real conversation with somebody else, because if you're not real with yourself, you're fake with others anyways, because you
At
don't
least
know
that's what
yourself.
helps me, Tanya, because I try to assess myself. If a situation is going wrong, I ask myself, how can I change my perspective, or what is there in my hand to change this situation? Only when you understand, reflect, and understand your flaws. Okay, if I'm egoistic, and if this situation is because of my ego, let me just calm down.
Calm
If
down,
this
take it easy.
it's all within us. It's the choice we make, and we need to understand that change just comes from within. अभी ये जो बचपन में सारे proverbs सिखाते थे ना, अभी जाके समझ में आ रहा है, पता है?
I know what you're saying. Earlier, like, it doesn't
I
make
didn't
sense.
know what is empty vessels make more noise. Now I know. Now I know what did they mean.
I
Empty vessels.
completely understand that. Like earlier, I used to be like, we used to use it like such a normal phrase, an empty mind is the devil's workshop, And I used to be like, what a cool phrase, yeah, empty mind. Then you really understand ki if it's empty there, your brain can like fully like make you go crazy, because like
Yeah, now we get it.
nonsense comes up there, And
Absolutely.
I really want to come back to the conversation where you say self talk is so important, because if you don't speak to yourself about an issue, or don't speak to yourself about whatever is going around in your life or whatever, that's where it starts. If you don't talk to yourself, you're not going to be able to speak to anybody else.
Yeah, and for me, it's like also as an actor, I feel that I love to observe, I love to listen also, and I feel that every character, every person has different characters. So I am only getting benefited by listening to them and their stories and their perspective. So if somebody who's not an actor, somebody who's doing something else, just find your motivation. If you're not finding a motivation to listen to someone, you need to have a motivation. Okay, actually think. If you're finding that listening is very difficult, keeping shut and actually listening is very difficult, find your motivation there. Because I find my motivation thinking that, oh my god, ye aise baat kar rahe hai. Okay, this is also a human perspective. Okay, let me just learn that. What if I'll use it in my audition, or I'll use it in any of the other places? So that's my selfish motive. And people who are not from the media industry and not really interested, there are a bunch of people, who are not, like, most of 70% of my friends are not addicted to social media because they're not from the media industry.
You're one of the
So
lucky ones, my friend.
oh yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
But because I chose to come to Bombay and actually stay with people who are not from the industry, because I felt like a star there. When I would come back, they would be like, hey,
The
batana,
hero in
batana.
you.
Exactly. I'm like, batana. See, again, selfish, but then
No,
it's
it's okay.
nice.
It's great.
We
I
would
mean,
sit
dude,
down.
you have no idea how much I have very few people who are not from the industry,
Yeah,
and very, very few. And also because I came from a film school, so my friends became the
yeah,
same.
right.
I only have certain school friends and college friends who are not from the industry. And when I go out for lunch with one of my friends from not from the industry, there is so much that I talk about. There is so much that I learn from them, because you know how they look
Absolutely.
at things. It's like an a different perspective, and she's not so into, oh, this is happening or that is happening, or this is the new
Yeah,
format of shooting, or this is the new camera, whatever it is. There is It's just such a different, healthier,
it's a different
different sort of
world.
conversation, which I really love, and I wish I
Yeah.
could have more of that, around. And you're lucky if you have so many people who are not in the same field, because they have such a different perspective. You can have such great conversations with them.
Now I get reminded why people used to say that, Abhiti, just enjoy your
Enjoy
college
these
days.
days.
Enjoy.
I
Now I
God.
feel old. I feel like
Now I
enjoy
feel like
your
telling
days,
people. I
guys.
feel like telling them, like, you're in college. Like, great time, dude. It's the best
Yeah,
time of
great
your life.
time.
You're in school.
Just live.
Like, best time of your life, dude. Just wait till you
Don't
grow up.
plan. Just best time.
Just enjoy these years, and I'm gonna come back.
And your 12th score is not going to matter.
Doesn't matter at all. My God, I wish someone told me the 12th does not matter. Just never.
Yeah,
Just so much I
exactly.
studied, yeah. I feel like never helped me.
Empty vessels make more noise.
I think anybody from this conversation, if they are hearing, should decide to speak to at least one friend a day over the
Yeah.
phone, or meet them personally and really talk
No,
about.
don't meet. Don't meet. Don't meet.
Sorry,
Corona.
not Corona times, but post Corona times, or right now.
जब भी होगा.
Jab hopefully jaldi hoga. Hopefully this all gets done soon. Need to
Yeah,
get out of
same
the
here.
house. and at least speak to somebody, one person. It could be one person in like 2-3 days, and
And
just
let us
speak to
know
them.
how you felt.
Please let us know, because I am
Yeah, I would love
100% sure after that half an hour conversation or 20-minute conversation, which is really a good conversation, everybody's going to feel much better. I think anybody from this conversation, if they are hearing, should decide to speak to at least one friend a day over the
Yeah.
phone or meet them personally and really
No,
talk
no,
about.
no, don't meet.
Sorry,
Corona.
not corona times, but post corona times, or right now, just
जब भी होगा.
jab hopefully jaldi hoga, hopefully this all gets done soon. Need to
Yeah,
get out of
same
the
here.
house and at least speak to somebody, one person. It could be one person in like 2-3 days, and
And
just
let us
speak to
know
them.
how you felt.
Please let us know, because I am
Yeah, I would love
100% sure after that half an hour conversation or 20-minute conversation, which is really a good conversation, everybody's going to feel much better about
Yeah.
themselves, life, everything. I think it's great.
Yeah, and you can be the real you with guys. Keep binging. That's
Keep
the only thing we can do
binging.
and
That's all
enjoy
we can do.
these days. Yeah.
Exactly. Yes, that's the only thing we can do. Stop binging on food, though.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Okay, love. Thank you so much. I'll see you
Bye.
soon.
Thank
Stay
you
healthy,
so
stay
much.
safe.
Yes. Bye.
Bye.
Take care. Bye.
Bye.